What's up, guys? So today I want to make slime with headphones on because I just bought these things. So we're gonna put you guys down. Oh my god! I gotta go get the stuff. Be right back. Chill and have an amazing day. Alright, guys. I was thinking we could maybe do just a simple white slime. Like, what do y'all think? Just a simple white slime. Like simple. Oh, let's make it a milky slime. I'm gonna go get some lotion. You guys ready? I'm gonna go get some lotion. Be right back. So technically, I got whatever lotion I could find. I found this one. It's named Yuki or something. So let's grab some glue. We're gonna pour it. This thing is hard to squeeze. Okay, let's squeeze some out. I'm gonna continue squeezing for a while, guys. Don't mind chilling here for a while since I'm gonna take like forever making this slime. So just chill. This thing is taking forever to squeeze. Okay, let's do those 30 minutes later things. Sparky. 30 minutes later. Finally, we are done squeezing. I took forever to get a big blob. Like, it's very big. Look how big this thing is. Now we need some lotion. Some lotion. Now we need some lotion, guys. So I'm just gonna put you guys here so you can hear me. So we're gonna put some lotion. Okay, so lotion slime. Okay, that's unexpected, but okay. I put way too much, but let's just mix it. I am kind of scared for the end results. Oh my gosh, guys, it's looking weird. It's looking kind of slimy. Okay, we're gonna mix faster. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Okay, I think we are good with the mix. I think we are generally good with the mix. Now we need to activate. I'm scared, guys. If the milky slime doesn't turn out good, we're cooked. Okay, we put a lot. Let's see if this helps it even at all. Okay, mixy. Oh my gosh. So we're mixing it. It feels kind of like clay. We're just gonna mix for 30 minutes straight. It's not gonna take 30 minutes the whole video, but we're gonna mix for 30 minutes straight. So we're gonna speed this up. Okay, 4 minutes has passed, and I've been mixing forever, and we're gonna continue to mix. It feels kind of like a clay or something here. Something here or there, like a clay or something. I do not know if this is gonna be a slime. I think I used too much. I think I'm gonna need to put more blue, more of a lamb. Oh my gosh, bro, look at this. Do you think this is gonna work, guys? I do not think so. Take off this. More glue time. Yeah. I'm just gonna open the actual bottle because I'm not gonna wait that long. Let's put a lot. We're gonna put a lot. Okay, I think that's enough. Like a lot enough. Like generally enough for the whole lotion thing. Okay, now we're gonna mix all of this, like the lotion with the glue. Okay, I think it's gonna work now. It's like a better texture. Like it feels better. Because don't forget we put activator like a little bit before, like when we had like 5 minutes down. So ooh, it kind of feels like a mushy marshmallow, but without the hot. And sticky, and it's kind of sticky. Okay, boom. 2, 3, 4 drops. We put 4 drops. Do you think 4 drops is gonna do the job? I do. So now we're gonna ooh, I think it's gonna work, guys. I genuinely think this thing is gonna work. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I think the Milky slime is actually gonna work. I didn't think this was gonna work. It's scented, sticky, so we need a mix. Okay, mix. Oof. Sing to me. Okay, so if y'all wanna chill, let's play some music. Let's play some elevator music. Okay, like 17 minutes has passed with me mixing, and now it's just full on sticky, like stickiness, sticky white stuff, like marshmallows. Like look at this, no stretch, like barely any stretch. Like the stretch is like a, I don't know, clay, like clay type. Okay, guys, you ready? We're gonna put way more activator. Like, oh, that's a lot. I think a lot will work. I think a lot of activator will work. I do. So now we're gonna mix. I cannot believe 9 minutes has already passed. It only felt like I'd done 3 minutes. But making slime is kind of hard, guys. So let's mix faster. Do not let that activator get on my headphones. Look, it's starting to form a little bit. So we're gonna try to take off this. Axel, if you do not want to be in my video, stay. Do not go on my video. So anyway, we're gonna continue mixing, guys. So we're gonna continue to mix. Oh no, something got stuck on my camera. I am cooked. I I'm cooked. I am gonna continue. Gonna continue to mix. So mixing. More scratching, violence, scratch. Oh, there you go. Now we're gonna continue to mix on my fingers to see if I can be able to get all this stickiness off, because look at this. Like the lotion, I don't know if it.
Brother.
I think it did make it more like a fluffy slime. Like it's more puffed up than usual, guys. And it smells kind of good, not gonna lie. And the stretch is very good. Oof. This slime feels very nice. I don't want to color it, but I do want to color it. Because, no, but it feels so cool and it looks so nice. But it looks so plain and boring. But I don't want to ruin the texture. I do not know what to do with this slime. Okay, guys, put 1 for if I should color the slime, or 2 if I should not color
Steven, look at this card.
this lotiony slime.
Steven, look at this card.
The slime is fire, though. I do not want to ruin it, but I also don't want to be bad YouTuber for you guys. So I'm just gonna see which one is best. Just comment 1 or 2. Since I only have like 2 subscribers, I hope that someone only says 1 for me to not color it in, because this looks fire. It feels fire and it looks fire. And some color already fell on it, but look. This is the color of my new slime right now. Like it? Me too, guys. Like look how pretty this pink is. Like, do you like this color, guys? Do you want me to try to like do let me show you.
See, look at the card, bud.
Yes.
Steven.
This color. This color. Oh, this lotion slime feels so good, but should I do like light blue, bro? Like, this feels like soft. This is an amazing slime.
Steven, look at the card. Steven.
Steve Areno. Axel, look at my lotion slime. I'm gonna see if I can buy nanotape, because those videos are still satisfying, and I just wanna make one. So I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna take off all this stickiness from the thing. Like, I just love this slime. It feels so like so. I'm gonna turn up the light so you guys can see. No, turn on up the light so you guys can see. There you go. Gotta turn it up a little bit. There you go. So now you guys can see me. Even though I do not have the lights on, I just turned on the brightness so you guys can see me. And this is kind of like the end result of the slime. It's pretty cool, and it has an amazing stretch. So I kind of do recommend for you to make it, but please put last week, like 1/4 of the amount you put for the glue, or like half the amount you put for the glue, to make it not so, difficult to make, because I took up like half of my activator. And this is kind of cool. This is the color that I got from my thing. I'm joking, it's white. But do you think I should do this color? Or do you think I should do blue? Or yellow? Or blue? Or yellow? Or yellow or blue? Or orange? Or pink? Okay, I think pink would work, right? Like, I love... More pops. Gosh, guys, I have never made... My brother is playing jailbreak. By the way, if you guys want to play Roblox together, my username is Alaya, spelled ALAIA 2597667 yeah. So I'm gonna repeat it again. ALAIA 2597667. So that's technically
It's like 2 hours.
I'm almost done. I'm taking off this. Okay. No, look how pretty this is, bro. I don't want to ruin it.
What? Look at the car I got.
Creamy.
Steven, you can see now.
You like this white creamy slime? Like, if you guys could feel it, you guys would just feel like that lotion on your hands. Like, I barely put any activator. Like, I want to know how much activator I put. This isn't even actual activator. It's borax. I'm joking. It's not borax. It's activator. But anyway, I like to call it magical liquid because it feels so magical to me. Can't you see? Guys, should we do water slime next to make it jiggly and with that tacky feel? Let's try to make it like unlike those videos that always ruin it by accident. So we're gonna actually try to make it. Let's hope we don't ruin it. So you guys, I'm kind of ready. Like, have a good day, guys, and stay sliming and stay gliding. Bye.